Good day, welcome to ICE Interviews. As a part of the interview procedure, we need to do the recording of this interview. Are you comfortable with it?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
Okay. So, tell me, what kind of emails do you receive about your work or studies?
I receive several types of emails, such as nowadays I'm looking forward to a job in multinational companies, so I receive email from job.
Do you prefer to email, phone, or text your friends?
Yes, mostly I prefer text messages with my friends because I think it is the easy way to connect with friends.
Do you reply to emails and messages as soon as you receive them?
No, usually I do not reply as soon because I'm a very hectic routine, and I mostly I reply their messages and emails at night.
Are you happy to receive emails that are related to advertisement?
No, usually I'm not happy for advertisement emails because it is very frustrating for me.
Okay. What do you think? Which is the major source of information in your country?
I think news is the major source for in my country, and moreover, it's a digital era, and mostly people use social media, and they any news they want see on social media.
Okay. And which app on social media is more authentic according to you for the news?
I think there are several apps in social media for news, but I think mostly I use I prefer Instagram and X.
I'm going to give you a cue card, and you will be having 1 minute to think about it. And if you need to prepare some notes, you can also prepare. And then for 2 minutes, you have to speak about it. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, please take us down.
Is, back in 2020, when I was free after my graduation, I had a chance to travel Dubai because my father lived there. He always encouraged me to that you should once time in a life travel in Dubai. So it was my first experience to travel in outside the country. So first I experienced flight in Fly Dubai. It was a fear when I was in flight. It was I felt some fear, and after that. It was smooth, and after the completion my journey, I saw many. I visited many places on in Dubai, and there are many good and amazing places in Dubai, such as Global Village. I love the most because I think Village represent many countries, and I saw different culture and traditions there, and after that, Miracle Garden was one of the best place I visited, and I think it is the best garden in the world, and most moreover. I visited the first time Expo 2020. So these are the things I experienced first time in my life, and I shared these things with my family. So it was a wonderful journey for me.
Okay. What things are important when people are choosing a hotel?
I think it depends. There are many reasons that people choose the hotel. It can be food.
staying in a luxury hotel is a waste of money?
No, I think who had enough money, who have I can say who has enough money that he can bear expenses. So it cannot be a wasting of time.
Okay. Why do some people not like staying in hotels?
I think in my country, many people have their own home, and they do not have any experience to outside the home. So, which is why many people do not like to stay in home.
Thank you, Emma. Thank you.
Thank you so much.